And we go back to the memoirs of then. Dear. And we have had that conversation here. The very bright students, yes, and the bright were mostly not the most opulent, yes, the geniuses, yes, looked back and decided either yes, we might be stagnant for a while. They were the average students that did not give a hoot. Yes, and there are those who were resigned to fate.
Me there, see.
Yes, the E class. Not the E class, yeah, badge.
The gari.
The executive. Not the excellent. No, just yeah, there, see. Yeah, now I resigned to fate. As you're no more at another, Merama Asian.
Anamoragia me akega thirari
yes
tume guku tuthio ndungi mwana thukuru ekimanangira mahinda
yes and the minds payago muno ni andu matathomire na mena indo magona ngania ni watu na noe wiga mucogia
nenda huru seru.
They used to look for something called consolative inspiration. Yes. And so there is a chance for someone who is an academic dwarf.
Yes.
And I always say narrative you are I don't support it. You are lucky. You are lucky. Yes.
You just never know.
Absolutely. Just resigned to faith. Local inspiration. They used to wonder and wow yes. You see, there was always that one or two pupils. They used to they are the frontier. Yes. He had to mind mwarimu on a very, very reasonable conversation during class time. Yes.
Ni kuri mundu warugamagiu argument
yes
kana koria kiuria
yes
othe makarigwa tatiga
ukona mwarimu haria blackboard ni ri andikite ukaigua what is it excuse me teacher
yes
I think there you are wrong
where
ukarigua tiri who is this today the oracle where Kenneth where am I wrong sir to start with when you want to convert moles into molecules you first divide or multiply by the Avogadro's number which is always 6.02 or 10 to the power of 23 sir at excuse me excuse me. You see, step 3, you are supposed to now multiply that to 10 to the power of 23, sir, so that you can get the molecular mass of the mole as it were. You have not employed Avogadro's principle, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you are very attentive.
Is that so? Okay. Can you come and do it on the side here? We compare.
Kaigirira ithabu
kiandika hau nginya anakina mwena wa rafu wake o blackboard ini Avogadro's 10 to the power of 23. So, sir, you realize that if you use this formula, which is the Avogadro's number, your answer of 16 would actually be 15.85. What is this saying? What is this saying?
Jesi ya theci yego twaranite na mwarimu ore athiete.
Yes.
Has no idea.
Yes, yes. They are totally lost. Ne ma divert meciria mao kuri kiria gikurugwo kwao.
Mundu waigua mole. Kiria ciragia ne huko.
Alright. They would poise and sit patiently. Ginya haria marerwo riu. Haria mage participate ni haria mera gwatiriri. Can you clap for Gathemba? That is their humble contribution. Mwaka ramulo jumuko na tare wa riumba.
Tabu gano guthia.
Okay, murutwo. Excuse me, teacher. What is it, Sharon? According to what you have said, I think it is quite misleading. You see, when you look at the historical analogy of the Portuguese conquest of East Africa, teacher, Rui Lourenço Vasco was sent after Vasco da Gama failed to conquer the East African coast. So there is no way Francisco de Almeida can have been there before Rui Lourenço Vasco. So logically, if you look at the historical histology, the person that was supposed to be in between Vasco da Gama and Rui Lourenço Vasco is Pedro Alvarez Cabral. I stand corrected, sir.
Tiga Vasco da Gama ri.
Vasco da Gama nto muigua na wakio iyi.
Acia ke Mario.
Who are those other idiots?
Majini yasima ya hari.
Yes.
Rimwe ni yake challenge mwarimu. Na through mwarimu off balance.
But way off. Na mwarimu would not take that lightly.
Mwarimu nake aba athake na psychology ya jure.
Yes.
Aba kumuhuritheria ruhina kumbugana.
Yes.
Recollect.
Na kamori ya trere. Ngumwitagia on purpose nyone.
Kana mwe atendi.
No. Those people would make you look clueless.
Randaless.
I ask you, do protons have mass? Somebody, not you, Kamade, not you, Sharon. You're always the ones answering. Do protons have mass?
Warogoro.
Warogoro? He said I did not even know they are Catholic.
Shenzi.
Wewe mitha.
Masile yao ene ya mitha.
Jano ya dauta okarigwa atiriri.
Andu amuthomagiro kirathi kimwe.
Are you a complete male homo sapien? You would doubt your rational faculty.
Homo erectus.
No, hata hiyo protons na mass ni kiri. Ni waliga what were you thinking? Sikujua hata sinakuwa Catholic.
Ona boko rara.
Gari ya sedi ya mutu. Wazazi wako wanasema wamekupeleka shule.
Kazi hapa ni kukula githeri.
Ano yo ndo kiaso kiria kiuria. Ginya jesi yaku ya thecire. Mone ni wa overdue.
Oimo.
Ginya wa matheke. Mone no, you tried to guess.
No athie muno.
You even failed at the art of guessing. But somehow, somewhere, here we are. In God's good earth.
Ya na foto wanu.